What's up YouTube? It's Byron Jackson here. Just want to check in, show you guys that I have just received my Ruby Steel CRO card, the physical card. For the past couple of weeks now, I've been using the digital card with the, like Samsung Pay, Apple Pay situation where you could use the digital card. Now I finally got the physical, tangible card here, so I'm going to do a little unboxing and check it out together. In order to get this card, or to get the Ruby Steel card, you will first need to stake $400 worth of CRO tokens, and then I believe the one up from that is the Jade Green card, and that one you have to stake $4,000 worth of CRO. So currently I wanted to try it out. I know you get the 2% cash back on everything. The Spotify, I don't really use Spotify, but it's free, it's there. Which is pretty cool. 2% back on everything I buy. So this MacBook, I just bought the new Maple, the MacBook Pro M1 with M1 chip, the 16-inch model. Is what I'm recording on right now, on the just basic desktop camera that's on here. And what was that, $2,600 that I spent on the laptop, and you get 2% back of that, and I think it was like $56 worth of CRO that they sent back to me, to my account. So that's pretty cool. You get that instant cash back in CRO. You can withdraw it, or add it to your stake, or transfer it to another wallet, DeFi wallet, add interest, make interest on it, so on and so forth. Lots of things you can do. So I got my CRO rewards up here. So let's see. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, sign up bonus unlocked. Got 46 CRO. Staked the 708 CRO. And then I got, what was it? Yeah, so I mean, you can basically see on here, when you get the rewards, it'll pop up here in your dashboard. CRO rewards, 1.42 CRO, 0.3 CRO, 92 CRO. You can also convert dust, which is like the change that you have left over, which is pretty cool. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright, so we got a little tab here. Alright, so if I can just pull this out. Ooh, nice. Hexagon. That's it. Alright, so they send you this little card here. It's my pleasure to present you with your Crypto.com Visa card. You can activate and manage it through the Crypto.com app, or a 24-hour live app. Chat support will be able to answer any questions that you may have. The Crypto.com Visa card is often the first step into an exciting new world. We hope it also proves to be the first step for you to take back control of your money, data, and identity. After all, it's a basic human right, and only blockchain technology can truly deliver on that promise. A simple ask. If our product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing else helps drive adoption better than real-world utility and chatting about it with a few good friends. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Signed by Chris Marskalek. And he actually signed it, man. It's pretty cool. I've been using it. My experiences so far have been very pleasant using the card. I've had a couple of technical support problems, and I just email them and they get back to you within a day and kind of solve it. But alright, let's see what we got here. So it's a card. Ooh. It's pretty tight. Cool. And then here is the card. And it's really like a steel card. This thing is a real metal That thing is tough. That's nice. Really cool. So I got my ruby red, ruby steel crypto.com card. I'm gonna use it. So that was the unboxing. Check the link in the description down below if you want to sign up for CRO and get staked and start earning rewards and cash back. That was the unboxing video of the ruby steel crypto.com Visa card, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.